Hi friends, welcome to my channel Technology Tricks. I hope you all are doing well. Do you find your computer slow or unresponsive? With every new release of Windows provide a new feature and update that demands more system resources. This may result in increased resource consumption, result in system slowness or unresponsiveness. So do not worry, I'm gonna show you 5 quick and simple tricks. With the help of that you can boost your computer or laptop performance and get rid of system lags. So let's get started. Here we go. First trick is press Windows plus R button at the same time, then you will get run. In that type temp. Okay, just click on OK. You can get Windows temporary file over here. I have very less files, but you might have a lot of files. Okay, so select all and press delete. Okay, so right now my system is using these files, that's why it's not get deleted. Okay, so it will be deleted later on. Okay, so just close this. Again press Windows plus R, type %temp%. Okay, click on OK now. Yep, so we got lot of files here. Okay, these all are temporary files which is not used by Windows, and some files are used by Windows, so no issue. Select all and press delete. Some files already have been deleted and some are not. So these are used by system right now, as I told you earlier, so it will be deleted later on. Okay, so close this. Yes, now second trick is just type here in search bar disk cleanup. Okay, so we got here, press enter. Yep, so you got C, D, F, these all drives are showing here. So I'm gonna select C drive right now. Just select it and press OK. Now this dialog box will open. So I have a lot of files here: downloaded program files, temporary internet files, recycle bin, delivery optimization file, temporary file. So just select all. Just click OK and press delete files. And don't worry, this is not gonna create any impact on your system. Right, so with this process you can just do the same with other drive as well. So right now we're gonna go ahead to third trick. In search bar again type disk space defrag. Okay, so we got here. Just press enter. We got this dialog box for optimized drive. So you can see my drives here: C drive, D drive, F drive. Okay, so first of all just analyze it. Just click on analyze, select one and then another. Just do the same with second one and third one again. Okay, so you can see my status is fragmented. My all drive are fragmented, so it doesn't require any kind of optimization. But in your case, if you find 2%, 3% or 10%, 15%, just optimize it. So you have to do like this: click on the drive and press optimize button. So process already have started. So it's gonna take its time, depends on your system performance. Okay, just minimize it. Now so we're gonna go ahead with 4 tricks. In search bar type task space manager. So we got here, just open it. So just click on more detail. Okay, yeah, so just go to the startup. So you can see lot of startup program here in start menu. Yeah, so these are not required because that create impact on your system performance BIOS time. Okay, so my BIOS time is 11.4 seconds right now, so you can reduce it with the help of that. Yeah, so this is enabled here, so you can just click here and disable it. Okay, just do like that. Just, yeah, disabled. This is also enabled, disabled, because these are not required on startup. Okay, so disable it. The last trick is, in search bar just type control panel. Yeah, here you go. Yep, now click on uninstall program. So just check for any bloatware installed in your system which is not required. So right now I don't have any bloatware installed. Okay, so just check for it and uninstall it. So just close it and then restart your computer and check the performance. I hope that will definitely increase your computer performance. So please try this method if you are facing issue with your system. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel Technology Tricks. Thank you.